Today's anime phrase is 目指す. It means to aim for something, to go toward your goal or dream. In this song, 目指したのは means the thing I aim for was. It shows strong determination. Everyone has something they want, a dream, a goal, a new challenge. So today, ask yourself, what are you aiming for? What is your 目指す? Tell me in the comments. And what's your dream? And tell me more. And remember, this is not only my stage, this is your stage, my stage, our stage. And learn something new. Enjoy every moment with anime and get energy for tomorrow. See you next time.